Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English. Each step is designed to make your learning active and effective. A first listen without text to train your listening comprehension. A second listen with text to associate words with their pronunciation. Then an explanation to make sure you understand the meaning. A final listen and repeat to train your brain to speak English. Finally, a short listening exercise to test your understanding. Let's get started. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm John. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm John. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm John. Repeat. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm John. Hello, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. Hello, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. Hello, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. Repeat. Hello, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. I love your jacket. Where did you get it? I love your jacket. Where did you get it? I love your jacket. Where did you get it? Repeat. I love your jacket. Where did you get it? Nice earrings. Where did you get them? Nice earrings. Where did you get them? Nice earrings. Where did you get them? Repeat. Nice earrings. Where did you get them? Do you come here often? Do you come here often? Do you come here often? Repeat. Do you come here often? What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? Repeat. What do you do for fun? We should hang out sometime. We should hang out sometime. We should hang out sometime. Repeat. We should hang out sometime. Do you want to grab a coffee next week? Do you want to grab a coffee next week? Do you want to grab a coffee next week? Repeat. Do you want to grab a coffee next week? I'd love to see you again. I'd love to see you again. I'd love to see you again. Repeat. I'd love to see you again. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. Repeat. Let's keep in touch. Can I give you my phone number? Can I give you my phone number? Can I give you my phone number? Repeat. Can I give you my phone number? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Repeat. What's your phone number? Are you on Instagram? Are you on Instagram? Are you on Instagram? Repeat. Are you on Instagram? What's your Instagram? What's your Instagram? What's your Instagram? Repeat. What's your Instagram? It was great meeting you. It was great meeting you. It was great meeting you. Repeat. It was great meeting you. Listening challenge. We should hang out sometime. How about grabbing a coffee next week? I'd love to see you again. Can I give you my phone number? Can you type what you just heard? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.